Fast heating with 1200 watts. Quickly boil water first thing in the morning for pour over coffee or hot tea. Prepare a family meal or keep a side dish warm. This electric stove, single, heats up quickly so beverages and meals are ready when you are. Portable and compact for easy travel and storage. Add extra cooking space where and when you need it most. From over the holidays and during home renovations to hot pot style dining and camping, it fits anywhere, is easy to move around, and is compact for easy storage. Single burner works with all types of cookware. This adjustable temperature electric burner, single, is compatible with every kind of cookware including aluminum, which will not work on an induction cooker. Versatile cooking, heat adjusts from warm to high. The heat dial on this adjustable temperature portable electric stove lets you select the right temperature for every task, from keeping food warm to boiling water for coffee or tea. Easy to clean plate and hinged 5.5 inch diameter coil for easy cleaning. Lift up the heating coil after it cools completely to access the plate beneath, then simply wipe away any spills or messy drips. Top reviews from the United States. Great for a low-cost switch from gas to electric. Great for single people to consider this duo burner and a toaster oven if they want to stop using their gas stove. You can find both for under $100. Also, folks should educate themselves as to how much electricity their household devices use.